Business owners, are you looking for a simple and easy way to grow your business and have some research? The newest thing I would tell you to use is you need to use Start Chat GBT. Guess what? It's probably one of the best research tools out there that you can use. It's quick and easy to use. So when you're somebody like me, and I'm an older gentleman, my name is Albert Corey, and I've been assisting business clients for almost 40 years. See, to me, Chat GBT is like having encyclopedias. So now, instead of going and have to go on Google and doing a whole bunch of extra research, you just go to chatgbt.com. You go in there and type your topic in, and it's going to start putting out all kinds of content. Now, the only thing sometimes you might have to do is you might have to read it and keep refining and refining it. But the next thing you know, you're going to have amazing content. So now, if you need to get a great title for your YouTube video, so you just come up with an idea and you put in the chat GPT, I want 10 titles. And it's going to give you 10 titles. Or maybe you need to write, you need to write the description of your YouTube video or description of everything. So you put, I want to put why ChatGPT is good for your business. And the next thing you know, it's going to start giving you a whole bunch of things that you can write and put. So there's really no copyright infringements. It's all written new. It's kind of like taking every time somebody enters into ChatGPT, it's going to be like putting new information in. So now it's always constant learning. This is going to start to save you a whole bunch of time. Because if somebody like me who's not a great writer, I'm not going to have to go sit there and go look for a copywriter. I can go sit there and do it. And you're going to see how it works is the description of this video will be all done in titles, is all being done by ChatGPT. Probably anything not being done on this video today is me speaking right now. So if you can like, watch, and share this video, we have plenty of videos on business success. Thank you, and watch our next video.